eyes know the light don't pierce down in the mines. 40 years, like 40 lives, only whistles blowing to mark the time. Oh.
All right, so we're back here on a farm. It's another river farm. A friend of ours gave us permission to hunt this, and a portion of it is going to be for sale, about 120 acres. So we've been setting some cameras, and we knew a couple spots that we wanted to put a few food plots in. Nothing crazy, just a couple little kill holes. And we've had cameras for about 3 weeks out here now, and we got an absolute giant on camera over the weekend. So we come in here this morning to set a couple more cameras and see if we can figure this deer out. We're going to spray some plots, but of course it started raining again this morning that they were not calling for. So this is one of the spots that we put us in, and we grabbed a black gate out of the truck and brought it in here to see if he's coming in here. The stuff to the south is the portion that is for sale, but we haven't, that's where we got the deer on camera, but we haven't gotten anything further south. Like the piece that's for sale, we've only had a camera up on the north end, and it's in the previous videos you guys can see the little water pipe coming out of the ground. The deer just, they're hammering. I mean, that camera's probably sending 200 to 300 pictures and videos a day. Just everything down here, I mean, they're just all going to that. With him not showing up anywhere to the south of that, we're figuring that he's up in here. So we're going to set a couple more cameras today. We've got another, there's a duck pond back here that's dried up. We're going to put a bunch of greens and clover in there this year. There's not even any trees that we're even going to try to hunt that. Just something to help keep them back here. It's, I don't know, 300 or 400 yards away from this spot. It ought to be able to help hold them back here, but I'm thinking this kill plot here is going to be super, super underrated. Like I said, had it not rained, we would have went ahead and sprayed this morning and planted it in a couple of weeks, but we'll just have to come back another day to get it sprayed down, and we're just going to keep setting cameras and see if we can't figure this deer out. This thing is, he's just got stuff going all over the place. It's definitely by far the coolest deer on all of our farms that we've found so far this year.